What is up everyone, I'm Ivor and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the sky in a video in 5 minutes. I actually discovered this easy way before I did that video because I did that video with Adobe Premiere Pro, which is so much hassle. It took me like half an hour to do the masking effect on Adobe Premiere Pro. So you only need 2 apps. TikTok, of course you have that, and Videoleap. Is where I usually get my free stock videos from. Just open up your browsers and search for pexels.com. They have an app, but I don't really have smart space on my phone anymore, so just type in sunset sky or aesthetic sky or whatever that you want to replace your sky with. Since this is a TikTok video, it's gotta be vertical, so select vertical in the filters. So just tap on the videos and just choose whatever videos that you like. Just tap on the free download, and once it's downloading, it'll show it on the right top of the Safari. And then save the video and go to your photo album, and voila. Now the first step is get outside the house. Let's go. When you're looking for a good spot to shoot, make sure there aren't any obstacles in the sky, because look at this. The sky effect that we're gonna use it later would not go through small fine details like the trees in the sky. Also, try to avoid spots with lakes or ocean because obviously the reflection of the lakes are not gonna be the same as the color of the sky. Guys, this place is so nice to shoot, but look at this. And once you found a good spot, just record a 10 seconds video on your phone. Okay, don't leave the spot just yet because we're still gonna record at the spot after we're done with this quick edit on Videoleap. Go to TikTok and save a video that has the same sound because we want to make sure that we hit on the right beat. Now open up your Videoleap app and we're gonna combine the plain video of the sky that we just took and the sunset video from Pexels and also the TikTok video with the music on. Now tap on the TikTok video and tap on the audio. Tap on unlink and chuck the video out because we only need audio. Now that we got the audio as a guideline, we can just drag it to the front and trim the plain sky video to the part where it goes, I just want to, and stop there before the beat hits. So the sunset video only comes in when the beat hits. And also I will put the sunset video on slow-mo just to match the duration of the song. As you can see, there are still some gaps here. Now select a song on TikTok and tap on the green screen sky effect. Tap on this link below to get a direct access to it. Just upload the video that you just did and it'll look something like this. And set it on timer. Before the beat hits, act like you're throwing something to the sky.
Yeah, I told you. I'm like, baby, that ain't normal. Foreigner.
Okay, that's all I got for you guys. If you have any questions, just leave comments down below because as you can see, I reply to everyone in my comments. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support me, and I'll see you next time.